Hey guys, it's Julie from Julexperienced, and today I'm going to be making some enchiladas. They're not like traditional. It's kind of like what my family likes to make at home, and I used some ingredients that were left out, and I just decided to make myself enchiladas for lunch. And it was really yummy and really fun to make, and I'll show you how I did it.
The first thing you want to do is start out by heating up a comal and setting a small pan on the stove. Don't forget to preheat your oven if you're using an oven. I'm just using a mini oven to 350 degrees. The next thing I did here, since I was using leftovers, was pour the sauce into the pan to heat it up. And here I am stirring it around a little bit. After that, I took some pre-made corn tortillas and some oil and brushed each one with a silicone brush. After that, I checked up on the sauce and started heating it up a little more. Next, I put the tortillas on the comal to heat them up.
So you take the tortilla and you just put it in the pan with the sauce, and then you cut both sides and you put it in here. And once you've done that, you take the meat, you put it in the enchilada like that, like in a line. And then you roll it up and place it alongside the other ones. Ta-da!
After that, I repeated that process and made the rest of the enchiladas. They look like this before the oven, and we're just gonna add some cheese. After adding the garnishes, I put it in the little oven. After putting it in the oven, I just clean up a little bit and get all the dishes washed. Time to take it out now. It should look somewhat like this with all the cheese melted and everything hot and gooey.
It smells so good.
This honestly was super delicious to eat, and it was one of my favorite things to make.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. That was really yummy and really fun to make. And tell me if you like any more cooking videos. I kind of learned a lot like in the cooking process when I made that. And I'm pretty sure I'll be doing it a lot better if I ever make those enchiladas for lunch again. But it was really fun. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And like and subscribe if you can. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.